Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Intex 15-foot by 42-inch Prism Frame Pool Set with pump, ladder, ground cloth, and cover. Durable and easy to assemble, Prism Frame Pools feature all of the great benefits of metal frame pools and are enhanced with strong powder-coated steel tubing and a stylish, upscale-looking liner color. Hydro aeration technology has been incorporated into the cartridge filter pump, providing improved circulation and filtration, improved water clarity, and increased negative ions at the water surface, constructed with puncture-resistant 3-ply material. Product benefits includes a 110 to 120 volt cartridge filter pump with a pump flow rate of 1,000 gallons per hour. Instructional DVD is included for help with pool setup and maintenance. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.